Hey guys, it's Jerry here, and if you're watching this, you're probably sick and tired of trading time for money. The 9 to 5 grind, the bills stacking up, the stress. Look, I have been there. But here's the truth. You don't need a fancy degree. You don't have to have money in the bank, and you don't even need to show your face online to start making real money. Now, I want to show you exactly how I'm making multiple streams of income online. And this is exactly what will pay you while you sleep, while you travel, or just live a fun life. The crazy part about this video is I'm not even selling you anything. So go ahead and just copy what I'm doing. And if you do, you could be earning $5,000, $10,000, or $30,000 in extra income every single month. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick scam, but it does require upfront work. So let's get to it. Number one, YouTube automation channels, and this is exploding in 2026. Now, I've got 4 monetized channels that pay me every single month. You just build helpful, evergreen explainer channels. Think about how things work, or niche facts, or top 10 lists, or mystery history stories. All that stuff is interesting, but you don't need your face, and you don't even need your personal voice. Now, here's how it works. Use AI like ChatGPT, and then script out those videos. 11 Labs or similar for ultra-realistic synthesized voiceovers. Then you pull free or paid stock footage from Pixels, Pixabay, and then you license it for cheap clips. Then edit it in CapCut or outsource to Fiverr for $50 or $100 per video, and then you can scale that. Monetization? Well, YouTube ads will pay you once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. High-paying niches like explainers or how it works can pay $5 to $20 per 1,000 views. And if you add in affiliates like Amazon links in the description, that's money in your merch. Now, I'm not the only one doing this. Now, I've been encouraging my friend to do this, and he just received his last check last month for $23,700. So this stuff really does work. Now, I've also seen many faceless channels hit $5,000 to $30,000 a month passively after the algorithm picks you up, and if it's something that the public really loves. And some documentaries or sleep channels pull in $20,000 to $80,000 a month. And trust me on this, it does take consistency, it does take work, but just post 2 to 3 times a week for the next 6 to 12 months, and you've got a machine that's working for you. But remember one thing, just avoid the spammy AI content because YouTube will not like it at all. Number 2 is stock footage or AI-generated clips, and you license that. Now, you just go out and you film short drone shots or sunsets or city flyovers or relaxing nature or beaches or real estate walkthroughs. You can use AI tools to generate and enhance clips, and then you upload it to Shutterstock or Storyblocks. You earn royalties on every single download, and people will pay to use your content in ads, travel videos, and even promos. And this is truly passive income. So once you've uploaded them, you earn forever. Now, some creators I know are making $3,000 a month from old uploads that they did years ago. And videos, they will earn way more than photos. You can get like $20 per license versus pictures, which are just pennies per shot. But focus on high demand areas such as relaxing ocean views, trees, snow, people, anything where people are interested in that subject. And if you don't have a drone, don't worry about it. Just start shooting videos on the weekends. Then you just use AI and enhance it for that polish. It's a set it and forget it after 100 uploads. Number 3, books on Amazon, KDP. Now, I've done this multiple times. Here's my latest book. And this one's actually helping a lot of people. It's a nice manual. But I've had some that are actually even bestsellers. But, if you just do this and get this ball rolling, people will pay you overnight. What you do is, number 1, you write about something that you know very well, and then it makes sure it is super helpful to people. Or number 2, if you can't write a book yourself, that is, you can create workbooks, word searches, planners, journals, niche logbooks like traveler's journals or vacation planners. And if you took stock photos, like I said in the beginning of the other one, you can use those photos on your cover. Now, royalties roll in from searches and passive income after the upload. Now, I've seen people earn $500 to $5,000 a month by scaling their online book portfolio to 50 plus titles. Now, one creator shared with me they made $487 profit in the first month after 3 AI-assisted books. Sounds like a win, right? Just focus on the underserved niches. And you can use Publisher Rocket for that research. But there is one warning. Don't put out crap. Quality matters here. You want to edit with AI for the spelling and the grammar and add in unique twists. And remember, don't flood garbage. Amazon's going to pull that junk out. Number 4, buy low at garage sales and Facebook Marketplace and then resale it for higher prices. This is simple arbitrage. You want to scout around for deals, furniture, electronics, bikes, pinball machines, whatever it is. And whatever you choose, make sure you know the true value of it and that it will sell very fast. What you do is you buy undervalued stuff that you know, you clean it up, and you resell it on Facebook Marketplace or eBay or even Craigslist. Now, one lady I know just sold a Madeline dollhouse in the 1990s, one of those old school ones. She picked it up at a yard sale and sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $600. But just remember, stick with what you know and stick with what you know has value. Now, I flipped items for a quick $200 or $1,000 profit, and here's a low barrier. If you don't even have any money, you can go on Facebook groups or Nextdoor or Craigslist free section, and you can pick up stuff that you know has value, and people just need to get rid of it. And when you're yard selling, you can start with $10 or $500, but you can turn this into semi-passive income generator with repeat buyers. Okay, so you ready for the next one? Number 5, if you have an announcer voice, voiceover gigs for local ads. You can record radio and TV spots. Now, I have friends that I know that make $50 to $500 per gig. So you can get platforms like voices.com or even go to local outreach to your local business owners. You can record that stuff from home, you build a portfolio, and you generate passive income to clients, and they'll come back for more. But next on our list is a combination platter. Number 6, faceless sleep and relax channels and the drone library. Now you combine ideas here. AI-generated endless ocean waves, rain, crackling fireplaces, and nice views where I live in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. That stuff is gold. You upload 8 to 10 hours worth of video on YouTube, and this stuff is evergreen for views. Plus ad revenue and tourist sponsorships, that's a win. Now, this can pull in some big passive income for long watch times. Now, here's where you double down. You capture AI-enhanced drone clips, beaches, sunsets, whatever it might be. You upload it on Shutterstock, and these royalties keep on stacking. Now, that's my favorite combo, super passive after all the uploads. Now, here's what's working right now. Consistency beats out perfection. Just get this thing started. And now that you know how to make money online, I know that you're going to really enjoy this next video here. Just copy what I'm doing. It's everyday wealth. I'm cheering you on.